Dear student, today I am going to teach you the poem Dad and the Cat and the Tree. This poem has been composed by a famous poet, Kit Wright. In this poem, there is a scene of a cat climbing a tree. A cat climbed too high and she could not come down from the tree. And now she was in a tree. In this time, she felt the need of help to come down from the tree. There was a girl and her parents in this poem. Girl was thinking about her father, that he was a good climber or not, and also she wanted to know about his plan. So read the poem and find out his plans. Number 1. This morning a cat got stuck in our tree. Dad said, right, just leave it to me. Explain of these lines. In this poem, there was a cat and she climbed on the tree and was unable to come down herself from the top of the tree. Dad understood about the problem of the cat, so he became ready to help the cat. His wife warned him that he might fall, but ignoring her warning, he climbed the ladder, slipped, and fell. Second, the tree was ugly, the tree was tall. Mom said, for goodness sake, don't fall. When father was trying to climb on a tree, and then he was thinking about himself, he was a good climber and he could help the cat to come down on the ground. Since the tree was unstable, the narrator's mother was full of doubts as to how easy would it be for her husband to climb the tree. Therefore, she warned him that he might fall. Next lines. Fall, scoffed Dad, a climber like me, child's play. This is, you wait and see. Listening to his wife's warning, the narrator's father was quite surprised. He dismissed away these warnings by saying that he was a good climber and climbing the tree was as easy a child's play. Next lines. He got out the ladder from the garden shed. It slipped. He landed in the flower bed. In these lines, the narrator's father brings out a ladder from the garden shed, but it slipped and the father fell on the ground. Next, never mind, said Dad. brushing the dirt off his hair and his face and his trousers and his shirt. The narrator's father explained, the narrator's father brushes off the dirt from his hair and clothes, cleans his face, and begins to think about another plan to drive away the cat. We will try plan B, stand out of the way. Mom said, don't fall. Again, okay. Explanation. The narrator's father decides to try plan B. His wife, however, again warns him that he might fall again. Fall. Now look to the poem. Fall again, said that. Funny joke. Then he swung himself up on a branch. It broke. The narrator's father muses away his wife's warning, still laughing. He swung himself on a branch, but the branch broke and he again fell on the ground. Dad landed wallop back on the deck. Mom said, stop it, you will break your neck. The narrator's father again fell on the ground. The narrator's mother begged him to stop as he might break his neck from the falling again and again. Ravi said, Dad, now we will try plan C, easy as binking to a climber like me. In these lines, narrator's father then decided to try plan C. He was still confident that being a great climber, he would succeed. Then he climbed up high on the garden wall. Guess what? He didn't fall. In these lines, the narrator father climbed up high garden wall and this time he did not fall. Poem. He gave a great leap and he landed flat in the crook of the tree trunk right on the cat. The cat gave the father explanation. The father with a great leap fondly landed on the treetop right on the cat. Next, the cat gave a yell and sprang to the ground, pleased as much as Punch to be safe and sound. Explanation of these lines. When father or dad became success to bring the cat on the ground, then when cat came on the ground, she became very happy and showing her happiness by doing some physical appearances. And now she was very happy because she was completely safe. So it is smiling and is smirking, smug as can be, but poor old dad still stuck up the tree. In this moment, the father landed on the cat. The cat screamed with fear and sprang to the ground, landing smoothly on the ground. It seemed content with itself. Thanks, student. Okay, finish.